Okay, so go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name is Marcus Henderson, senior business management. I'm 23 years old.
Okay, so what I'm gonna talk to you about and ask you some questions about are two different authors that focus on something called the pornography of violence. And just to break down what pornography of violence is, it basically is the images of violence and how we're addicted to those things. Pornography is used as kind of not a loose term, but just to explain the explicitness of the images and how we're so attracted to it. And it's our attraction is based off of like emotions and just like our hunger to see those explicit images. So what Muhum Magami and Susan Sontag did was write two different articles on that topic. So Muhum Magami's point is, or his questions are, so why are we attracted to those images and why do we respond to certain images versus other images? An example would kind of be like Sudan and Darfur's conflict. Are you familiar with that?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so the conflict in Sudan is a genocide. Basically, that goes back some 20, 30 years almost. But it's basically a war between...
about the stuff that's been going on last year?
Yeah, that kind of...
Okay.
That conflict. So he takes that conflict and he breaks it down. The images that are portrayed through the media, how journalists put it in the media and market it to us versus other conflicts that have happened in the past. So he just kind of compares and contrasts how we react to those images that we see in the media from a place like Sudan versus a war and conflict like Vietnam. Susan Sontag, she poses the question that's more of like, how can I explain it? Hold on.